In this video, we're going to reveal exactly why every single time he tries to distract himself from you, it completely backfires. We're going to expose why no one else even comes close and why he is going absolutely crazy trying to replace you. But just a quick warning here, this reading is going to massively inflate your ego, so only watch this if you are ready to know how truly irreplaceable you are. Don't let it go to your head, alright? And do not reach out to him first. By the way, guys, my name is Ivan, your tarot best friend. I don't usually talk about this publicly, but my private reading roster is actually filled with industry insiders and high-level executives who rely on my cards to make major life decisions. They trust me because my intuition cuts straight through the noise and my timeline predictions never miss. My guides today are screaming at me that someone perhaps watching this video feels like their specific person has moved on. They haven't. Now, this is an energy exchange. To accept this energetic shift, please take a second, make sure you're following me, and comment, I am irreplaceable. Go ahead and comment it. Believe it, it's gonna happen. Now, let's go ahead and just get into it. Focus entirely on the sound of my voice. Picture his face, but imagine it fading in and out of your mind. Go ahead, get comfortable, drop your shoulders away from your ears, take a deep, slow breath, and close your eyes while you listen to me shuffle these cards. You are safe, you are entirely in control. Just listen to the shuffle. This is what the universe wants me to tell you. We have your cards. This is what he's thinking about right now. Now here's the absolute truth. He thought he could run away from the intensity of your connection. He thought he could find someone easier, someone who didn't challenge his ego the way that you did, but it is completely blowing up in his face. Every single time he talks to someone else, he is secretly comparing them to you, and they are failing. Everyone else feels dull. They don't have your depth. They don't have your specific magnetic energy. He actually gets annoyed when he's out with other people because he just wishes it was just you sitting across from him. He rereads your old text messages just to feel something. He specifically misses the exact scent of your perfume. He's starting to realize that you're a once-in-a-lifetime energy, and he is trying to fill a massive void with cheap distractions. Now guys, this happens to me way too often, especially with people who are trying to fight a true connection. I had a private client just last month was completely devastated. Her person was literally posting someone new on social media. So we checked the energy, we checked her cards, and it showed that it was a complete mask, just an illusion, just to make her jealous. I told her that the distraction would collapse in 3 weeks. Exactly 21 days later, he texted her 2 a.m. saying he couldn't stop thinking about her and that the new girl was just a rebound. That is the exact tower moment happening in your life right now. His distractions, they are crumbling. He is realizing he can't outrun you. He is getting ready to drop the act, drop the ego, and come directly to you because you are the only one who satisfies his soul. He wants to claim you. Now go ahead and open your eyes. The energy has shifted. Trust that he is realizing you are the absolute price. Now, because this is a collective reading, we know he is dropping the distractions. But if you want to know exactly when he is going to end his little phase, exactly what day he will contact you, and the specific words he's going to use, we need to pull your personal cards. Do not let a generic late night text fool you when he finally reaches out. Let's look at your private cards to uncover his true intentions and your exact timeline. If you want the precise map of his next move so you can sit back and just let him do all the work and you can stop overthinking, my personal readings, the link to it, they are in the descriptions. I'll see you there.